Okay, I got this brand new drone. Of course, I've had mine for 2 years, and I've crashed it twice on the DJI Care Refresh program. It's been about almost 2 years since I bought it, and I had one more crash left. So when I crashed it, I went ahead and sent it in, and I had my FAA numbers on the old one. Of course, they're not on there, and this drone is absolutely spotless, brand new. Still got the stickers on it. The box was sealed, and it works fine. I just connected the remote. The remote's not new, but nothing wrong with it. And comes with four batteries, so you got 2 hours of flight time. You can charge them in an hour or so you can have them continually charged for a full day's work if you needed it. So here we go. This is what you want to check for and start it up. My old gimbal used to make a banging noise. This one here. And so this is how you operate the camera when you're flying. You can just flip a button back here and it'll lower it, or you can just do it right here. There's some buttons under here somewhere. You center the camera. There you go. And anyways, I'm selling this drone. I'm going to upgrade to the Mavic 2. I've done this one for 2 years, and so it's time to upgrade. I'm going to upgrade every 2 years, and this brand new drone, you get it for $1,000 with all the accessories. Those 2 cases, backpack case, original OEM box, 6 filters, quad charger, car charger over here, and that little box right there. Lots of good stuff. And let's see how it starts up. So you can start this thing up without it taking off by grabbing these joystick here and bringing it. Thinking about it. There we go. And there it goes. I can actually fly it, but I'm not going to fly it indoors. I didn't disable the return to home, so if it loses signal, it'll fly up to the ceiling. But you could disable that and put it on hover in case that ever happens. So anyways, there you go. Brand new drone for you.